Hey guys, this is a 360-degree view of Carolina Harbor. This is my first time in this water park, so if you're looking for an experienced guide, maybe not, but this is my first time. So if you're looking for someone who is coming for the first time, now I tried to record on some of the rides, like the wave pool, the lazy river. Unfortunately, the river is closed today. And because I'm at a water park, I don't have my road mic, so hopefully the audio will come out well. Wanting to try this right now. Maybe I'll come back and try it. Music's a little loud right now. But I will say that they aren't playing the Beach Boys and they are playing Dick Dale. So there is that. One of the few water parks that does not play those bands. Right now we're going over to the main beach house. That looks like a cool slide too. I might try that. Oh, also I have a cabana today for my sister and her two kids who are all right there at home because they ditched me at the last minute. So I have a cabana by myself. Walk over here really quickly to see the beachcombers. Standard beach themed water park merchandise stand. So this is $22.99 for this Carowinds towel. It's nice. Water shoes. Oh yes, there are no path sprayers whatsoever at this water park. This is cool. Some Fury gear. Souvenir towels, 2 for $40. Fans, sunglasses. You'd think living in Orlando, I would have brought sunglasses with me, but no, I forgot them at home. Quick walk through here. Oh. I can't get. Well, there's candy in a little can. I can't get them out with one hand. This is interesting. So, candy you don't see everywhere. That's cool. Magic potion. Moving on. Swimsuits. If you go into a water park without a swimsuit. I mean, going to a water park without sunglasses, that's dumb, but without a swimsuit. So here's some changing stations. Well, the restroom I went in earlier, the changing stations are on the outside, so be careful of that. Also, or not be careful, be aware of that. So if you're looking for them, that's where they are. Here are some lockers, which would have been a lot cheaper than a cabana. Oh well. Standard's only $22. All the way up to $32 for a jumbo. So I think let's go over here and look at the 50s. I'm also here near the end of the 50th anniversary of Carowinds. I thought I'd see the nighttime fireworks drone show. That ended last weekend. But step and repeat over there. Fortunately, I have nobody with me today to record it. So heads up, today is limited staff because I was told a lot of people are going back to college, so they aren't available to work. And that is why I'm not going to go in the lazy river today. I should have noted the name of the river. Sorry about that. Because there's not enough staff to run the river. These slides look pretty cool. I don't think I'll have time to go on all the slides that are open because the lines aren't too bad, but Today's my last day here, so I've only 2 days. And fortunately, I have a dinner reservation with family tonight, which is cool. Unfortunately, that's cutting into my time I could be in the park. Thank dog, I made a decision to come the week before, so I have 2 days of Carowinds because I don't feel like that's enough. That is the entrance we will come in from the parking lot, which I should have done, but I did not. Some theming. I feel like there's definitely space for more rides here. So maybe. But again, I can't even record in the wave pool. Now, I don't know, I could do it with my mouth. I did record in one wave pool, then I was told when I went to the second wave pool I wasn't supposed to. So we'll see if I get clearance to post that video. But those are the cabanas I'm in right now. I mean, the type of cabanas. There are some more expensive ones over here, but thankfully I got the basic one. It's basic, but it's nice. Comes with 6 bottles of water. If you look at it the most closely, you'll see that the umbrellas are Dasani branded. So, of course, the water is Dasani. Ices over there, some regular soda. You can fill a refillable bottle in those soda fountains. You don't have to pay for it. Now up here, Bay 1, Bay 2. Look like they're just general seating. Have not been in the Harbor House yet. Food area. Now this looks like it would be something that could be rented. I don't see anything that indicates that. Funny thing, I don't know which state I'm in right now, because this park is partially in North Carolina and partially in South Carolina. As you can see up here, there's an American flag and the flag for, well, I don't think this is really the state, for both states. There's the indoor restaurant, basic quick serve. Choose whatever food you want over there, and of course pay for it over there. Standard theme park fee. Although Carowinds themselves call this an amusement park. Why they would downgrade their park, I don't know. So this is a really cool water park. It's a little spread out. Like I said, there's room for more attractions, but it's a little bit on the basic side. I mean, for this price, you're not getting Volcano Bay, but it's enjoyable. Here are the cabanas coming up where I'm staying. I'm posting a separate review video for that. Sorry for the change of hands there. Again, as you can see, absolutely no sprayers on the paths at all. So I'm hearing a song right now that's also plays at Volcano Bay. Oh, too late. Well, I guess they didn't completely avoid the surf music. I know it works for the theme of a water park, but man, it's every water park. So far, I haven't heard any beach boys though. My ears are a little muffled still from the flight, even though it was 2 days ago. I have bad sinuses, so sometimes I've had my ears blocked for 2 days after, oh no, sorry, 2 weeks after a flight. So these slides look like they're really cool. I was gonna go on the lower orange and yellow ones, but there's no line for them because they're not open right now because of the staffing issues I mentioned earlier, which is unfortunate. We'll say though, most of the attractions are running today. It's a bummer. When I say, but it's my last day here, it is actually my last day here. So yeah, I guess I did the classic guest thing of going to the water park the last day. Not always the best thing to do for Volcano Bay, but yeah, here would be Coastal Currents. That is the name of their river. But again, not open. Now there are a lot of options for kids coming up here. Over here for really, really little ones. And there also are some cabanas over there. So as you can see to my left, there's some splash areas with basically no water at all for those who aren't swimmers yet. Sorry for the hand switch again. There's another kids area to my right. This is Kitty Hawk. That's second time I've seen that joke used here at Carowinds. So this is the kids area. I'm not going to walk into it just because, you know, there are kids in there. And I'm not... But you can see from here. Again, super shallow water. Maybe 6-7 inches. This is Pirates Landing, which is for bigger little kids. Looks like there should be a bucket up there to dump water, but for some reason it does not. More slides over here, so you know, there's multiple kids areas. This one's a little bit bigger, like I said. Looks like a lot of fun. So I was told that I can have video record. I can record video of the midways. So I'm assuming, stabilize it a little bit. I assume this is the midway. Again, as you can see, it's a good footprint for the water park. I thought it'd be smaller. Another look at the kids area to my left. Definitely a lot of options for kids, but not just for kids. There's a lot of options for people of all ages. Now coming up on my left is another kids area. This is for kids that are even older, but are still, you know, pretty young. So, you know, they really cover their different age ranges really nicely. Now, because this is a kids area for bigger kids, I'll walk around it. First one was for like toddlers. Don't want people getting all upset because I'm showing a 360 video of whatever. Anyway. I already forgot if I mentioned, but this is a 360-degree video. So you can move your phone around to look around. You don't have to just look ahead. Ooh, smell of chlorine is strong here. gonna do a lap around the wave pool. I mean, not the wave pool, the kids area. Again, you can see this is for significantly older children than the ones that we saw before. Now I'm really wishing I brought my Rode microphone because the audio is going to be, my commentary could be better, sorry. I was like, why am I going to use the Rode microphone at my, whatever. Now, I don't think this counts as shooting an attraction because I'm walking around it. But that was a supervisor right there, so she would have said something it was otherwise. Trying to follow the rules, they're just really strict. Way more strict than I'm used to. Oh, you know what? Never mind what I said earlier. They're now playing the Beach Boys. I guess nobody can avoid playing the Beach Boys at a water park. And I believe this is where we came in. If I had more time, I would go on more of these rides, but I do not. Oh wow, look how slowly that coaster goes. Alright, well that is my 360-degree video of Carolina Harbor. First time walking around the full loop. Once again, the Beach Boys. But thanks for watching this video all the way. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.